of the bananas and I'm smashing them up to go into this recipe. This one is super quick and simple, and my daughters actually asked if I would make this again soon, so I may end up next week making the same thing just as a nice breakfast option. And I personally love banana as well, so it's just a really easy one to mix up. And not that long ago, I heard another mom talking about the fact that dinner time seems to be a busy time, and it also seems to be a transition point in the day when you're going from your busy schedule of the day to a more slow, relaxing evening. And for some reason, it seems like it's the point of the day when our families need us the most. I know, at least for our family, usually my children really are wanting my attention, and my husband wants to talk about our day and what we did, and it just seems to be a kind of crazy time of day, dinner time. So I think taking extra stress out of that time by prepping and really making it very minimal time spent on cooking at that point in the day is really helpful just for the flow of our family, to make sure that everybody's getting the attention that they need, and to take my stress levels and lower them. So that is why I've recommitted myself to doing my best to meal prep every week. So you all are going to see a whole lot more weekly meal preps. I know that you really, really enjoy those, and I like the finished results of getting my meals prepped as well. So here I am just mixing this up by hand. I think that mixing little batters like this by hand sometimes are sort of relaxing. I know that might sound kind of funny, but I just like to do that. And then I have these actual muffin sized tins. I'll leave them linked below, along with these muffin papers. And they work great because they open up into kind of like a little plate, and we don't even have to get plates out to eat these muffins, and breakfast is served with a glass of milk and we're on our way. So once I had the batter in the little muffin papers, then I went ahead and mixed up the crumble that went on top. It's like some butter, some flour, the homemade brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and I just kind of whisked that together, and then I put those crumbles on top of these muffins. Another option you could do is, once they are baked, you could do like a drizzle if you wanted to use some powdered sugar and just kind of make like a glaze for the top of them. But I just love the taste of brown sugar, and so does my family. We're also really big fans of cinnamon in our house, so this is just an easy way to get the topping on there before it's baked and throw it all into the oven.